Periods, the monthly subscription that's been flooding women's inboxes since puberty. Discussions around how to deal with periods are moving slowly, from blue ink sanitary pads to green alternatives like the menstrual cup. And although the menstrual cup has been commercially available since 1937, women in India are still suspicious of it. So, to cup or not to cup? That is the question. And we're going to clear a few things up to help you answer it. Does it hurt? Pain is a big concern when using the menstrual cup, but the cup is made from medical grade silicone and is soft. All you have to do is fold it and insert it right below the cervix. Once it's inside, it opens up and stays in place due to suction. Then you pinch, twist and pull it out. The entire process can be a bit tricky at first, but after a few tries, it gets a lot easier. And before you make the switch, you must do your research. Is it hygienic? No matter how hard you try, changing a sanitary pad in a public bathroom stall will sound like a shark ripping into plastic bags. But with the menstrual cup, stealth mode. Just remove it, wash it with water and place it back in. And if there's no private wash basin around, you can use paper towels and some water. The cup can be used for 10 to 12 hours on average. At the end of your cycle, just boil it in water to sanitize it, and the same cup can be used for 5 to 10 years. Imagine the number of sanitary pads you'd have to buy in that time. Seeing or touching the blood can take some getting used to, but unlike with the sanitary pad, you're not walking around with a funky smell all the time. Where do I get it? There's hardly any advertising around the menstrual cup, so women don't know what to buy, where to buy it from, and how much to buy it for. But don't worry, we've got the lowdown for your down below. Menstrual cups come in different sizes. Brands like Boond, She Cup and Diva Cup cost anywhere between 500 and 4000 rupees. You can also switch from the cup to a cloth pad at the end of your period when the flow is not too heavy. Every month, women have to deal with their own personal red wedding. And yet there are so many options to deal with menstrual health and hygiene that rarely get discussed, thanks to misinformation, less information, and general taboo surrounding the topic. But the menstrual cup doesn't need to remain a mystery. It is eco-friendly and cost-effective. And if you feel the sudden urge to run around, climb a rock, or wear white shorts, just go for it. We hope this information helps and that your next period is more civilized. For more helpful content, like, share and subscribe